inside of it, you not only get that automated sales process that I showed you, you guys get access to those funnel steps at zero cost to you. It's just inside our program, email automations. And for once you're inside the program for $29, you get access to a website. Right? For $29, all you got to do is take that website and add your picture. And add just a little paragraph so people know who they're buying from. That's it. So you get that. Then also inside of it, you get the discovery method where we show you how to build that brand. You can even build that brand faceless if you want. We show you our copy and paste free ads method. We show you how to utilize social media. There's just 5 billion people alone just on social media. So here is that to build a faceless brand. We call it your invisible empire. We walk you through. We have a strategy inside of this to show you how to make 100K your first year with building a faceless brand. It even comes with a year's worth of content inside of that. And then you also get to be part of our digital growth community that, oh, well, this is old because we do have now 22 or 23,000 people, you guys, inside our community as well. And you get a daily video from me. Every single day, you guys, we give you an action step that is either going to get you closer to crafting that message to your perfect customer so you don't have to go bother friends and family to buy from you. We want to teach you how to attract customers to you.